हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू क्लास। आज हम कर रहे हैं सेट 8 और सीमैट का सेशन 8। Those who have not watched previous sessions, please do not forget to follow CMAT 2025 playlist in which you'll find all the sessions, session 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? जितने भी हैं आगे के वो सारे। Let's get started. Here we have to find synonyms. Sanguine. Sanguine means being happy, being cheerful, being happy. Right? आप इसको याद कर सकते हैं. We sang win. We sang win. हमने किसी के लिए गाया जीतो, like that. So we are happy. Sanguine means we are singing for winning. We are hopeful. So it's a positive word. We are looking for a positive word, which is only this out of all the options. Supervene is like interfering, so वो है intervening, that is this. Ensue is to take it to the brakes. Proceed is proceeding, right? So yep, this precedes, like this event will happen first, so this event will precede the other event. Anathema is something or someone you hate the most, you hate or dislike the most. So hate or dislike, negative word है तो we are looking for a negative which is closest to what we discussed. To dawdle means just to do unnecessary time pass. That okay, I will take a class, let me just dawdle with this phone a bit for like let me watch 5 reels and then I'll start. So we just unnecessary dawdle before we really start. That means loitering, wasting the time, right? Being frivolous. That. Fickle minded means basically अभी ये करना है पर फिर change होगा decision. That is fickle person. Impetuous is impulsive, जो whatever comes to your mind you do it, you don't think twice, right? अच्छा तेज गाड़ी चलानी है, तेज चलाती. अभी एक हफ्ते तक you don't want to eat homemade food, you're ordering, you're not thinking how it will impact your health, nothing. So taking rash decisions without thinking for the second time is impulsive or impetuous thinking or decision making. One word substitution. Fear of home surroundings, right? घर का डर क्या होगा देखिए. Right. Thalassophobia is fear of ocean, water bodies like river, lakes, that. Zoophobia is fear of animals. Hydrophobia is fear of water. Right. So I think हमें बचा ही एक है, that is ecophobia, which is fear of home surroundings. घर से डर लगना. अब लोग बोल, now you must be thinking घर से किसको डर लगेगा. So generally those people, if something bad has happened in that particular house, they have seen a ghost or maybe something, then they'll be scared of coming back to their house. So that is ecophobia. Fear of relatives. किसको है भाई fear of relatives? Right. Necrophobia is fear of ghosts, tantra mantra, all those things. Aerophobia is aeroplane or anything flying. A lot of people have fear of birds. Generally aeroplanes, but anything flying. Right, that. Ophiophobia is fear of snakes, similar reptiles. Syngenzophobia is fear of relatives. रिश्तेदारों का डर है, कहीं कॉल करके रिजल्ट ना पूछ लें, वैसा कुछ. अ पर्सन विथ अ वन ट्रैक माइंड, बस एक ही चीज दिमाग में होती है और बस. सो यू हैव टू हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ माइंडसेट. आई फील इसको आप मेनिया या जो भी बोल दो. तो दैट इज मोनोमेनिया. यू जस्ट थिंक अबाउट वन थिंग एट अ टाइम, राइट? नॉट 10 थिंग्स. माइक्रोमेनिया मीन्स ऑलवेज सेल्फ डेप्रिकेटिंग नेचर, कि भाई आप कितना भी अचीव कर लो, आपको लगता है नहीं, आई हैव डन नथिंग, आई एम नथिंग. कुछ लोग को होता है सुपीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स, कुछ लोग को होता है इन्फीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स, लाइक दैट. सो बोथ आर बैड. यू हैव टू बी अ बैलेंस्ड पर्सन, बट सेल्फ डेप्रिकेटिंग नेचर इज मच वर्स देन सुपीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स. Uxoricide, killing of wife, and matricide is killing of mother. A place for the sun to enter where one can sunbathe. I think it's quite easy to figure out. It is solarium, right? Solar से भाई sun है तो यही आप choose करोगे, even if you don't know what is a solarium, correct? Podium is stage, so we know other words. A baby carriage, जिसमें बेबी को लेके जाते हैं, right? Generally people garden में आपने देखा होगा बेबी होगा, उस चीज में बिठा के उसको घुमा रहे होंगे. सो क्या होता है पर एम्बल. ट्रैक्टर में तो नहीं घुमाते, राइट? मोटर में भी नहीं घुमाते. सो अगेन लाइक नो, वी कैन जस्ट डू प्रोसेस ऑफ एलिमिनेशन एंड फाइंड द करेक्ट आंसर. हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड द ऑपोजिट और एंटोनिम्स. Impediment means obstacles. Impediment means obstacles. There will be various impediments on our way to success. We can just do two things to stop, complain or cry about it. They can be genuine impediments, or otherwise just try your best to cross them, right? Because cross तो आप करोगे ही करोगे, आप एक जगह पे लाइफ में रहोगे नहीं, बट देन रो के करोगे थोड़ा स्लो होगा, जल्दी सोल्यूशन की तरफ सोचोगे तो फास्ट होगा. So impediments are like obstacles या hindrance. So opposite will be assistance, help. जब आपको help मिलती है, you grow faster wherever you want to go. Abstain means to restrain, to control something. Like for this month, I am abstaining from eating, say, in certain generally seasons, right, or certain days, we abstain from eating garlic and right, हम प्याज लहसुन का खाना नहीं खाते, या ऐसा वैसा नहीं खाना खाते, बाहर का नहीं खाना, घर का ही खाना खाना, like that. So we abstain from doing, so we restrain ourselves. So opposite will be indulge. Generally on fast day, on fasting days, we abstain from eating certain things. फिर जब फास्ट खुलता है we indulge कि भाई हाँ चलो आज ये खाते हैं, like that. Alright, sorry. Profusion. Profusion means full of. Like my house is profused with books. मेरे house में, मेरे घर में बहुत books है, so full of books. तो उसका opposite क्या होगा? Scarcity. कि भाई इतने books नहीं मेरे घर पे, कोई नहीं read करता. You know, aversion is dislike या hate या थोड़ा दूर भागना. Like a lot of students have aversion towards reading. Reading बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. रीडिंग के नाम पे गूगल से कुछ रीड कर लिया. बुक्स रीड करना आज बहुत रेयर हो गया. सो पीपल हैव अवर्जन टू रीडिंग, राइट? दे डिसलाइक. Yeah, aspersion is to blame someone, to accuse someone of something. Benign is good. Benign is good, so इसका opposite होगा. Benign is a kind, helpful person, good intentioned person. ऐसे लोगों को हम benign बोलते हैं. So इसका opposite होगा malevolent, like ill will. People who do not have good intentions towards you. ये positive word है, so of course we are looking for negative. Unwise नहीं हो सकता. Benign, it can be anyone, any person. Frugal is someone who saves money, who is economical, who saves money. So extravagant is someone who spends a lot of money, right? Okay. Miserable is someone who is sad. Miser means someone who is stingy या कंजूस. Alright, passage students, a minute to go through, to look at the topic of the passage as well as read the question quickly. ज्यादा पैसेज समझना नहीं है बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आर डायरेक्ट, राइट? वी आर नॉट टुडे लाइक यू नो ऑन, लाइक हमने काफी क्लासेस सॉल्व कर ली हैं, सो वी नो कि भाई इतने डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस हमें नहीं आते हैं एग्जाम में. सो इतने इनडायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस नहीं आते एग्जाम में. फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू रीड 1 or 2 लाइन्स. Unless current trends are reversed, these endangered languages will become extinct within the next century. So these languages will become में these कौन है? Endangered languages. जो danger में वही extinct होगी ना. I think this question actually we can solve without reading the passage, right? Spanish language evolved out of, see, okay. Ancient Greek slowly evolved into modern Greek, right? And ये अलग है. And Latin evolved into modern Italian, Spanish, French, Romania, others. So Spanish is evolved out of Latin, right? Greek से modern Greek आया है, but Spanish is from this. So D is the correct answer. What is endangered language? Which very few people are speaking, that we have understood, but just I'll give you 1 minute. What's the answer? The near future. Spoken by many people, spoken by anyone at all. Any कोई नहीं बोल रहा है तो extinct है वो. Then it's not endangered. To expand it, no, it's going to die in the future, or extinct in the near future. So B is the correct answer. You can get it from first 2 lines. Okay. Another passage, 1 minute to read the passage as well as the question. Who can change the decision of a country to make use of provisions available to developing countries? So, provisions available to developing countries. Uh, who can change the decision? Let's take a look. So other members can challenge. Members of who? Of World Trade Organization, which has member countries, which they themselves announce as developed, and they can challenge decision of another member to make it they can use or not. So basically, can we say any member of WTO, not neighboring country, particularly any member of that country? Right. Okay. Who decides whether one country is developing or developed? कौन decide करता है? Generally, in this line, we are saying that members announce for themselves whether they are developed or developing countries. Correct. Then we are saying so WTO member announces itself as a developing country does not automatically mean it will benefit from those schemes. In practice, it is the preference giving country which decides the list of developing countries. ठीक है, list बाद में decide करें किसको benefits मिलेंगे. But then who decides developing या developed? So developing या developed तो लोग पहले खुद को बता देते हैं, फिर उसके basis पे एक list बनती है, you will get the benefit or you will not get the benefit. So the country itself. Why would a country like to announce itself as a developing country? क्यों अपने आप को developing बोलते हैं? As a developing country. Developing country status brings certain rights. अगर आप developing announce करेंगे, you will get some rights. For example, there are provisions which provide developing countries with longer transaction periods before they are required to fully implement the agreement. So एक तो longer time मिलता है before they implement all the rules, and developing countries can receive technical help as well. So two things, so that it gets some relaxation in implementing agreements, correct? So that it need implement WTO agreements. It gets some time. It has to implement, of course, sooner or later. It can become member of WTO. It's already member of WTO where it is decided to announce itself as developing, so it can become the preference giving country. Not for that reason. It doesn't want to become preference giving country. It wants to become developing country, so it gets some relaxation in transaction periods, right, to implement the agreement dates. So A. Okay, next passage. A minute. Okay. Done. Parenting here in this passage is compared to, so there is a line that parenting is the bringing up of a child. It is like nourishment that is necessary for a sapling, for a small plant to grow into a big fruitful tree. So can we say nourishing a plant, right, rather than pet, vehicle or relationship? Which of the following is a major differentiator on some of the major facets of parenting? Right, so कौन सा एक differentiator है? See, we are saying common set of values सारे culture में same रहते हैं. No culture will tell their kids कि झूठ बोलो. Honesty, integrity same रहती है. पर कुछ other facets हैं वो different भी होते हैं in different cultures is what we are saying. So द वैल्यू सिस्टम स्टैंड्स डिवाइडेड. सो कैन वी से वैल्यू सिस्टम, ऑनेस्टी इंटीग्रिटी तो हर पेरेंट सेम ही सिखाते हैं, वैल्यू सिस्टम थोड़ा अलग हो सकता है, राइट. वैल्यू सिस्टम मीन्स व्हाट, लाइक इन वेस्ट जनरली द वैल्यू सिस्टम इसके पहले अपना सोचो फिर दूसरे का सोचो, आपके पास कुछ होगा तभी तो आप दूसरे को दे पाओगे. वैसे इन इंडिया, इंडियन कल्चर, पहले आप दूसरे का सोचिए, पहले आप हेल्प करने का सोचिए, फिर बाद में यू कीप योर सेल्फ सेकेंड, राइट. सो दैट इज द वैल्यू सिस्टम विच इज डिफरेंट. पेरेंटिंग इज बेसिकली culture is a key ingredient. Although economic situation, standard of living also have an impact of parenting. सब चीज का पेरेंटिंग पे फर्क पड़ता है, करेक्ट. मेजर फेसेट्स ऑफ पेरेंटिंग, कंपैरिजन इंडियन स्टाइल. सो क्या ये कल्चर से कोई फर्क, कल्चर से फर्क पड़ता है. जैसे भाई सारे पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को रख रहे होंगे, आपके पेरेंट्स वैसे रखेंगे, डिफरेंट नहीं रखेंगे कि भाई ये सब स्कूल जा रहे हैं, यू डोंट गो टू स्कूल, यू डू होम स्कूलिंग, दैट्स रेयर. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन कल्चर, इट इज डेफिनेटली कल्चर डिपेंडेंट. ऐसा नहीं, कंट्री पे भी डिपेंड करता है, स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग पे भी डिपेंड करता है. भाई सारे बच्चों को वेकेशन जा रहे हैं, सारे बच्चे अब्रॉड, तो फिर उसी स्कूल के, तो फिर जो बाकी के पेरेंट्स वो भी लेके ही जाएंगे. भाई ऐसा नहीं कि 99% बच्चे, एक बच्चे बोले कि नहीं भाई यू विल नॉट गेट एनी वेकेशन, अब स्कूल इज लाइक दैट, तो ठीक है. सो कंट्री, कल्चर डिपेंड्स ऑन एवरीथिंग. ओके, पैरा जंबल एवरीवन, 1 minute to solve. So here in all four statements you are talking about will, कि how to make the will. Will कैसे बनती है, कैसे बनानी चाहिए. So you can make a will as simple as you want. You will need to sign the document, right? The will, sign the document in the presence of two witnesses who will then have to put the signature on it. So C से ही start होगा. So either this or this, because we are talking about will. Now what about will? So lawyers advise people to use witnesses. आप दो witness होंगे. कौन से witnesses होने चाहिए? Who are generally younger than them, जो भी will बना रहा है उससे, and are likely to like healthy, like जो outlive करेंगे दे रहेंगे. क्यों ऐसा? Because if it is because your witness will be called upon, अगर will में कुछ change आता है, कोई sue करता है, case करता है, तो at least they can testify कि हाँ this was a will which was signed in front of us. And generally it helps if a doctor is a witness. अगर doctor witness हो तो और better होता है. Right, so this is a final suggestion, but why a younger person should be a witness? So that they can testify, they can be available, right, after one is gone. So B, A is certainly a pair, and C से start होगा. So then D is the correct answer. Question number 26, everyone. So see, firstly, secondly, correct. D, B must be a pair. D, B कहाँ है? इधर है, इधर है. These two cannot be the answer. दोनों C से start होगा. So let's read C. Figure skating we are talking about is primarily a sport of amateurs. Contests are held for singles and for pairs. ठीक है, right? That is this. C से start होगा. Now A कहाँ आना चाहिए? Let's read. For years, the singles competition was judged according to two categories, right? So दो categories हैं, and then we will say कि भाई first category is this, and secondly the compulsory, the free skating, और दूसरा होता है compulsory, isn't it? सो ए रखेंगे तभी डी भी बोल पाएंगे. सो डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. दे आर दी, दे मतलब who. Next are the rule makers and then rule takers. So D, B should be a pair. There are various hints here. What is IBM? So these are example of this. First, there are rule makers, the incumbents that build. Basically, rule makers means people who make an industry, like IBM, United Airlines, Coca-Cola, all these people. And the likes and the like are the creators and pro-creators of industrial orthodoxy. Means जो लोग एक industry बनाते हैं, उसके rules बनाते हैं कि भाई ऐसे ही होंगे ये principles है. These are the people. Next are the rule takers. Means दूसरे companies जो इन रूल को लेके फिर अपने कंपनीज हु पे होमाज टू द इंडस्ट्रियल लॉर्ड्स जो भाई इनके रास्ते पे चलते हैं. एंड दे वो पर वो कम लोग होते हैं, वो बड़े दे आर स्मॉलर कंपनीज. और दे आर स्मॉलर कंपनीज बट दीज आर द जायंट्स इज व्हाट वी आर सेइंग. सो दिस इज एन एग्जांपल. डी सी एंड देन बी विल से. सो डी सी दे आर द ओलिगार्की. सॉरी डी सी 28th. Here we are giving introduction of US funds intro, and here we are giving names Draper and Walden names as an example. We are specifying have played in kickstarting venture capital industry in India. They have started. Then we are seeing Draper in particular specifically played a better role as in starting role. Okay. A, B, C is 100% a sequence. D कहाँ आएगा? This was the second wave. Right? कोई अगर option से solve करोगे तो यही option बचता है. So we don't have to know all 4 sentences. Any 2 or 3 will be enough. 29, 28th we have solved. Yes, 29th. Okay, it has to start from D. There are essentially 2 types of recruitment companies, and then we'll say first is like this, they do consultancy, other type is whatever is the type we'll discuss. So D will start over with this option, and this option it cannot be the correct answer. The first is retained by employers to find specific people. Retained as in दो टाइप कंसल्ट रिक्रूटमेंट कंपनीज में कुछ जो एम्प्लॉयर्स या कुछ कंपनीज होती है वो उनको एज एन पार्ट ऑफ द कंपनी रखती है कि भाई 10 HR of your company will work only for us full time. So उनको हम बोलेंगे कंसल्टेंट जो कि न्यूज़पेपर में एडवर्टाइजमेंट डालेंगे, फोन करेंगे, लिंक्डइन पे मैसेज करेंगे आपको कि भाई आ जाओ. दूसरे होते हैं कि दे आर पार्ट ऑफ एनी कंपनी, देयर इंडिविजुअल एंटिटीज जो एजेंसीज होती है टू बी प्रिसाइज, जो कि कंटिंजेंसी कि भाई ठीक है हम आपको एक पर्सन देंगे तो उसका पर पर्सन हम एक आपसे चार्ज लेंगे लाइक दैट. एक एम्प्लॉय देंगे तो दैट. सो A, B is a pair and C has to come at the end. So B is the correct answer. 30. Okay, many weapons used in the war had never been used before. So first time use किया, first time कोई चीज करोगे तो बहुत mistakes होंगे, you learn a lot. जो आपने सोचा था वैसा नहीं होगा. So a number of lessons were learned, a lot of preconceptions were forgotten. Whatever they expected did not happen, and new things they have learned because first time they were using some of the weapons. As a result, as an aftermath means as a result, there was a lot of क्रूअल इंटेंसिफिकेशन ऑफ रिसर्च की बहुत ज़्यादा रिसर्च इन आर्मामेंट्स एंड वेपन्स हुआ, and thus basically first world war was a prelude to even more destructive war. Like basically it was more, more destructive than expected is what we are seeing. It was just an introduction of a destructive war. So CA is 100% a pair, उससे start होगा, so B is the correct answer. Okay, fill in the blanks. Mr. Mehta, biologist, spends 3 seasons in the US and returned with clear perceptions of that blank and uninhabitable place. So basically Mr. Mehta didn't like, right, US. 3 seasons निकालने बोला, ये रहने लायक जगह नहीं है. So negative चाहिए एक तो मुझे, negative. So 3 seasons in return with clear percentage of that. Arid means very fertile land, बहुत कुछ grow हो रहा है, so it's positive word, right? Nomadic means people are moving from one place to not really. Deserted means खाली खाली जगह, कुछ खास नहीं था, like that. So more like deserted will make more sense here. और deserted always doesn't mean कि desert है यहाँ पे, like sand है. No, desert means खाली खाली जगह, रूखी सूखी जगह, मजा नहीं है. That also means that's also how we use deserted place. He's quite dash and narrow. What's the correct answer? So he's quite, generally we say he's quite tall and narrow. Tall and thin is what we are, right? Rather than long. I will not say you have a long height. You're tall. Right? Or you're elongated. You're stretched. And you're tall. Okay. Question number 33. Okay, the mistake is my hint, these couples made was not spending enough time seriously planning for a lifetime together in marriage. So generally mistakes कैसी होती है? ऐसी mistake जो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी mistake, that is egregious, a bigger mistake these couple made was not planning ahead. Credulous is basically you're a credulous person, means you're a trustworthy person. So trustworthy mistake, mysterious, secretive mistake, sporadic, widespread. These words can't go for mistake. Only this word can go. Right? So basically a big mistake. In many countries, the dash in pay for men and women is quite common. Pay parity, I think, is quite common. Disparity होना चाहिए. For example, in Germany, women are paid 21% less as compared to men. So, yes, disparity. Disparity is difference in pay. Difference in pay of for men and women is quite common. Okay. Amit's story about ghosts and witches is not. Amit's story is not strange. Yeah, it's not wild, relevant. It's believable or unbelievable. Right? Generally story. I think A होना चाहिए. Right? I'll just check. एक second. Yes, A is the correct answer. Okay. Weight किलोग्राम, राइट? वेट को हम कैसे मेजर करते हैं? किलोग्राम से. सो किसको किससे मेजर करते हैं बताइए? डिस्टेंस को तो अगेन किलोमीटर और समथिंग, किलोमीटर मीटर, सो रॉन्ग है. रेजिस्टेंस को ओम, यस. टाइम को क्लॉक से मेजर करते हैं, नॉट रियली, इजंट इट? हाइट को लेंथ से, सो बी इज करेक्ट. मीन्स उसका मेजरमेंट क्या है? क्लॉक तो है, बट व्हाट इज अ मेजरमेंट? 1 PM 2 PM, मिनट्स सेकेंड्स आवर्स, ऐसा कुछ लिखा होना चाहिए. क्लॉक तो है बट मिनट्स सेकेंड्स आवर्स, लाइक दिस, राइट? सो हाइट कितना? सेंटीमीटर, मीटर, like that. So B is correct. Dog, the disease of dog is rabies. Mosquito क्या देता है आपको? Dog देता है rabies. Mosquito काट ले तो you get dengue, malaria, right? Not other diseases. Man, a man's story is biography. Nations is, अगर nation की कोई story है तो that will be history. डॉक्टर डायग्नोसिस अ डिसीज, टेस्ट, आपके टेस्ट हो गए, बताया अरे आपको तो इन्फेक्शन है, वायरल फीवर आ रहा है तो वायरल इन्फेक्शन है, लाइक दैट. सो डॉक्टर का काम है डायग्नोस करना, जज का काम है जजमेंट देना. रिवर फ्लोज, सो देन व्हाट इज स्टैग्नेंट? स्टैग्नेंट इज at one position, not flowing. So what is stagnant? Rain is not stagnant. Rain comes from up to down, right? Stream is like river. River भी flow होती है, correct? So pool, swimming pool is generally, canal also flows. Swimming pool is stagnant. Idiom or phrase: abortion laws have been a long-standing bone of contention in the United States. Something is bone of contention between us, right? If I have to say, that means point of disagreement, right? If I say the meaning of this idiom is a bone of contention, you're saying the answer is D, but I'm saying B, so it's a bone of contention. Contention means disagreement, point of disagreement or argument. Bells and whistles, what does that mean? So how to say this? Chinese products generally are bells and whistles. They look very good. आप एक या दो बार यूज करोगे, ठीक भी लगेगा, बट वो बहुत ज्यादा चलता नहीं है. इट इज नॉट ड्यूरेबल, राइट? वो बहुत टाइम तक आपके साथ वो फंक्शनल नहीं रहेगी वो चीजें. तो समथिंग इज अट्रैक्टिव बट अननेसेसरी फीचर्स एडेड टू प्रोडक्ट, जस्ट ज्यादा दिखाने के लिए तामझाम, लाइक दैट. सो दैट बेल्स एंड विसल्स. ओके, अ फिश आउट ऑफ वाटर विल बी, so some fish की जगह क्या है? inside water. So if we are out of place means if something is not my place to say. For example, isn't it? मैं एक जगह पे गई हूँ जहाँ पे बहुत सारे co-founders हैं. So I should be observing, learning, listening rather than judging them. और वहाँ मैं उनको ही opinion दे रही, right? बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि everybody thinks they can give their opinion, but that's really not the case. So यही, that is out of place. A fish out of. So बहुत बार मैंने ये देखा है, राइट? जितना पर कम नॉलेज, कम ज्ञान होगा, उतना ज्यादा ओपिनियन सजेशंस होंगे. ये भी होगा. समवन हु रियली नोज विल गिव नो सजेशंस एट ऑल. वो अपना देखेगा, भाई मेरे लिए क्या सही है, मैं वो करूँ. टू गेट पर्पल विथ रेज, गुस्से से लाल पीला हो जाना. सो दैट विल बी स्टूडेंट्स, राइट, टू बिकम एंग्री. फॉर गुड, दिस हैज हैपेंड फॉर गुड. सो दैट इज that somebody is gone for good. If we say generally, that's how people say this problem, I have gotten rid of this problem for good, means permanently, forever. Okay, question number 46. We have to replace the phrase printed in bold with grammatically or vocab wise correct statement. From time to time there have been reports of how children had tried to imitate their favorite hero and landed in trouble. So there have been reports. I think this is fine. Yes, this is correct. Because his work as a painter requires that he use products containing strong chemicals, he has developed skin allergy. So what do you think? Requires that he should use, no, he uses. Requires that. They have made a futile is unnecessary, time waste thing, attempt of suppressing the truth and suggest falsehood. See, the attempt of doing this, A and B. So when you connect two things with and, both the forms need to be similar. So suppressing and suggesting. करेक्ट. सो आंसर बताइए क्या है? ऑफ सप्रेसिंग एंड सजेस्टिंग falsehood, but they have made attempt in suggesting, so we need in as well. ठीक है, एक सेकेंड, give me a second. And suggesting falsehood, for and suggest. अच्छा, and is also part of this. So they have made a futile attempt of suppressing the truth after suggesting falsehood. After suggesting. Oh, we don't even have to connect it, right? उन्होंने बेकार पहले तो झूठ छुपाया और फिर सजेस्ट कुछ झूठ बता दिया, जो सच है वो छुपाया और झूठ ऊपर से उसके बाद बता दिया, इज व्हाट वी आर सेइंग. सो आफ्टर सजेस्टिंग फॉल्सिटी, राइट? फॉल्सिटी, फॉल्सहुड कि भाई कुछ गलत बात बताई, लाइक दैट. सो बट फॉल्सिटी इज नॉट द राइट वर्ड, सो यही ऑप्शन बेस्ट है. दो पीपल शुड बी राइट टू प्रोटेस्ट, should have right to protest, it should not be upsetting the livelihood of others. People should have right to protest, so B option होगा. Yes. The newlywed couple was shocked when it was observed that many people who had been invited were missing. Right? जो लोग इनवाइट किए तो वो आ ही नहीं रहे, मिसिंग है, या फिर आके खाना खा के चले गए, ऐसा कुछ है. So who had been invited were missing. So B. Yes. You can check all your answers here, everyone. Thank you so much for attending the session. I'll see you tomorrow at the same time.